Good morning, everyone. So, this is our HR specialization lecture of talent management, and in this lecture, we will talk about the process model of talent management. So, in previous lecture, we have talked about the concept and important functions includes in the talent management process. So, it is a continuation lecture of last lecture. So, if we talk about talent management, the talent management, as we all know, it's a systematic process of identifying the vacant position, hiring the suitable person, developing the skills and expertise of person to match the position, and retaining him of achieving a long-term business objective. So this all includes within a process of talent management. So as you see in the diagram, the overall organization strategy encompasses the process of talent management. So yeah, that means on the basis of organizational strategy, the strategies related to talent management process are developed, and on the basis of talent management processes, the outcome of it is converted into the performance and high level performance of the employees in the organization. So as you see, the talent management process includes six activities when it comes to talent management. So first activity is known as planning. So planning is the initial step in the process of talent management. It involves various steps like identifying the human capital requirement, developing the job description and key roles for a particular job, proposing a workforce plan, and preparing a workforce plan for the recruitment of employees in the organization. So it is all about planning of human resource and talent in the organization. Second step is attracting the talent. So deciding whether the source of recruitment should be used, need to be internal recruitment or external recruitment, and seeking for the suitable individual to fill up the vacant position. uh, we can go for job portals such as naukri.com, job timesjob.com, etc., or social networking sites like Twitter, LinkedIn are very much in common nowadays for attracting talent towards your organization. Third step in the process is selecting. So when the recruitment and selection of personnel for the organization, so there are certain steps in the selection process as well, which includes scheduling of written interviews, written test and interviews, scrutinizing the most suitable candidate from the profile. It can be done through various ways, it can be done through online interview or the telephonic interview. So nowadays, online, I mean, the Skype interviews are very much common these days. Next step in talent management is developing. So in this stage, the employees are prepared according to and for the organization and the profile. So on the basis of the profile on which they are going to work, and on the basis of organizational overall objective, the employees are getting prepared, and this may involve certain steps like carrying on out an onboarding program and or an orientation or induction program for the employee, enhancing skills, aptitude, proficiency of personnel to match the that particular profile of the employee. Uh, it also includes counseling, guidance, coaching, education of employee And even job rotation is one of the method for providing training and development to the employees to prepare them for the organization and for the particular job profile. Next step involves, which is known as retaining of employee. So employee retention is one of the essential aspect of an organization for its existence and survival. So by following certain criterias, an organization can retain their valuable employees. Because if you are not as an organization, if you are not retaining your employees, it will affect the goodwill of the organization as well. So there are certain criterias by which one can retain talent in the organization, which may include promotions and increments, providing opportunity for the career and growth development by handing over the special projects to employees, participative decision making or the involvement of workers in the decision making process, then teaching new job skills can also gives an employee motivation to retain themselves in the organization. And then identifying the individual's contribution and effort and recognizing them, uh, that is also motivate an employee to remain in the organization. And the last step is known as transitioning. So talent management aims at overall transformation of the employee to achieve the organizational goal. So it can be done through a retirement benefit of the employee. Conducting exit interview is one of the important way, so that the employee who is leaving the organization can give certain important inputs towards the organization. Succession planning and internal promotions are the biggest motivation when it comes to transform the overall employee and the overall culture of the organization. So this is all about the process model of talent management. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.